Hi children, welcome back to your chemistry class. So today we are going to discuss a concept in solid state, right? So coming to the concept, see, so R is your radius and A is your edge length. So based on this radius, edge length, rendum calculate பண்றது you have crystals இருக்கு இல்லையா, simple cubic, body centered cube, face centered cube, edge centered, likewise you will have crystals, right? Out of which what you are going to take அப்படினா, we are going to take simple cubic, face centered cube, body centered cube. So the radius for simple cubic will be r, which is equal to a by 2, and for face centered you can use r equal to a by 2 root 2 or else root 2a by 4, right? And then for body centered root 3a by 4. So if you convert this to edge length a அப்படினா, if you predict edge length a which is equal to 2r or else a which is equal to 4r by root 2, this is for face centered, and then for body centered it will be a which is equal to 4r by root 3. Based on this we are going to discuss some sums, right? So the first question is, a metal crystallizes with a face centered cube. A metal crystallizes with a face centered cube. Edge length of the unit cell is given as 408 picometer. We are asked to find the diameter of the metal atom, right? As usual you are going to take your given. What is given? So என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, the crystal is FCC, this is the first clue, and then edge length is given as 408 picometer. You have to check whether the units are in picometer, right? இங்க picometer ல தான் edge length கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, so you have to check the units, else you have to convert to the corresponding units. இப்போ உங்களுக்கு picometer தான் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க and answer is also in picometer, so you no need to do any change, right? So you know the formula, r which is equal to a by 2 root 2 or else root 2 a by 4. You can use either formula, right? So you are provided with the a and we are asked to find the diameter. So diameter அப்படின்றது நமக்கு தெரியும், diameter is nothing but 2r இல்லையா? So just multiply, so 2r which is equal to root 2a by 2 இல்லையா? So this is your diameter. So root 2 the value is 1.414 into a is given as 408 picometer divided by 2, right? So if you cancel this, what will you get? 204. If you multiply 204 into 1.414, what will we get அப்படினா, you will get 288 picometer. So diameter of the crystal which has a edge length of 408 picometer will be 288 picometer. Answer will be 288 picometer, right? The next question is, AB, a crystal with AB crystallized in body centered cube, same edge length is given as 387 picometer. Edge length is given as 387 picometer. The distance between two oppositely charged ions, we have to find the distance between two oppositely charged ions, right? As usual it is nothing but 2r இல்லையா? So what is given? This crystal has been crystallized in BCC and we know the formula for BCC, r which is equal to root 3a by 4. We are asked to find two oppositely charged, which is nothing but r plus and r minus, which is nothing but 2r. 2r which is equal to root 3a by 2. So this is your formula. As usual they have given your a value, edge length, that is root 3 will be 1.732 and edge length is 387 divided by 2. If you cancel this, you will get 193.5, right? If you multiply with root 3, what will you get? In the sense you will get 335 picometer. Again your option is A, right? So we have discussed two questions in face centered cube as well as body centered cube. Likewise I gave you two questions for your practice, whether you have understood these concepts or not. I need to know whether you have understood these concepts or not, right? For your practice I gave some two questions. See, first question is, copper crystallized in FCC with an edge length of 361 picometer. You are asked to find the radius of the atom, right? Here with your options, A is 157, 181, 108 and 128. And the next question is, Lithium metal crystallized in body centered cube and the edge length is given as 351 picometer. You are asked to find the radius, right. Try these two questions children and give your answers in the comment section. I hope it was a very useful video for you, and if you need such a video, please give your concepts in the comment section. We will make a video and we will post it. Thank you for watching. Thank you.